Hi guys, so today we're going to show you how to make a floating woodland forest. And what we're going to do is use our typical wreath with lights in, a hanging wreath, and then our hanging specially made pines that we have made. And what we're going to do is, with our wreath, we're going to suspend it this way. Avi's going to help me. Thank you, Avi. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to attach our hanging pine into the center, like so. And I'm going to use our black strips, plastic strips, and we're just going to strip it from the metal through to the metal. Like so. And we're going to put the strips in 4 sections, so it really hangs safe. All right. Don't pull it too tight because we need some, get it in first, and then you can tighten it. Perfect. And see, then you can come back and tighten each one. Okay, so we're going to put the 4 strips in, and then the next stage we're going to do, we're going to suspend it up, and then we're going to hang with the thick galvanized wire into 4 points so that the whole thing is not swinging. Okay, see you soon.